Hey everyone, and welcome to Make Money You. My name is Mivumbi, and today video I'm going to show you how to make money with your YouTube channel. From day one, I'm going to show you can earn up to $100 a day, even more. So this method I'm going to show you is very easy, simple, and effective. I use myself too many times and it does works. This method works all over the world. It doesn't matter where you are. Wherever country you are, this method works. As long as you go your internet and you go your computer, you can do this. Anyone can do this because it's very easy and simple, and you don't even have to film yourself, to record yourself. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to do anything. All the things you need to upload in your your YouTube channel, everything is been given for you. So I'm going to show you. So this is affiliation marketing, but I'm going to show you in a way is going to be very easy and simple, and you don't need to do any ads, and you don't need to pay for any traffic. You don't need to do anything. Your traffic is going to be free. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And there's I create like 3 steps. This is step 1, 2, and 3, and the third step, too many people they stop only on step 2. The third step I'm going to show you, this one, it can even increase your income. You can even increase your earning, because this is the last step is very important. I've seen too many people, they don't use this last step, the third step. So I'm going to show you exactly how it is. And if you got any question, please leave them down below this video. I'll answer them as soon as possible. And if you need my help, if you want me to guide you, to take you, I can do one-to-one with you, I am happy to do that. Just leave go in this description, you see my email address. Please send me email and I'll answer you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. Let me go in my computer and then I can start to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Right? So right, this is our first step. Our first step is to get affiliation link, and you get all the resource we need, all the video, all the banners, everything we need for this product we're going to promote. So here is I want you to come here. I'm going to leave the link below this video for this page. I want you to come here to digitalstore24.com. I'm going to leave the link below, so you can click that link there and come in this page. I want you to sign up with them if you haven't signed up. If you already signed up with them, you can just log in here, okay? But if you haven't signed, you need to start now. It's free to sign up. Here is where we're going to get our affiliation link, and all the video we need to upload in our YouTube channel we're going to get from here. So come here, sign, click this one here. When you get in this page, put your username, your email, create password, and here you need to tick this one. I'm an affiliate, not a vendor. We promoting this product. We are not selling this product. So we creating this we are promoting this product, and accept term and condition and click continue here. Right now, our so when you already sign up with them or you already log in, you're going to get, this is going to be your dashboard for Digital Store 24. I already create one here. So this is going to be your dashboard, and when you come here, I want you to click marketing. Right, so when you click marketing here, you're going to come here in the marketing here. Right, this is the marketing. So here you can choose any product you want to promote. Right, but for this for the purpose, you see, you can get all this commission, you can earn all this money. Right, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I want to show you, we can promote this product, keto diet. Right, I want you to promote this keto diet. You can come here and type which product you want to promote. So I want you to promote this product because, let me show you, because this is January now. Yeah, January, everyone wants to lose weight, everyone wants to look nice, to look fit, because they already have this new year resolution. They want to lose weight. So this is going to be perfect for you to create this kind of video, to upload this video, so people, they come, and because you give them value, you explain what is keto for them, like how to start a keto diet. So you're going to explain to them how they can start the keto diet. You're going to have the video for that, and then people are going to listen to the information. As a result, they're going to click that link. They want to find more, and then when they want to find more, when they get to this side here, they can buy the product and you're going to get commission, right? So that's what I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to use this product. This is custom keto diet. We're going to use this one. So this one, when someone go in your link and click, you're going to get 25 US dollar. So like they was saying, if you that 25 US dollar times 4, if you bring 4 people in your link and 4 people they buy this, is more easy for you to make 100 US dollar. And this is not only once. You can bring as many people as you can, because this video you're going to upload your YouTube channel, they're going to stay there for as long as it can be, right? So we're going to promote this product, keto diet. Say promote. Now you can click that promote. So when you click this one, you're going to have a link, because I'm promoting this product, that's why it shows this way. So when you come here, it's going to show you promote now. So click that link. When you click that link, you're going to see here, this is the link. Yeah, it's going to come like this. So I'm going to copy this link. You copy this link, right? And when you copy this link, I want you take this link, save somewhere. Go in your notepad, go and save this link. To save your link in your notepad, because we're going to use that link later on, okay? And when you click that, this is the product we're going to promote. So I want you to click, this is a sales page, right? So it means if someone click your link, they're going to land in this page here. And if someone go ahead and buy this product, you're going to get commission. So let me show you what you need to do now. Now we already get our link. I want you to click here, affiliation support page. So click this one here. This is the page. This is everything that you need, right? Everything you need to promote this product. They give you everything. I want you to come here, down here. There's the banners you can use for your thumbnail. There's the email. I'll come and show you this one later on. So I want you see here videos. So I want you to click these. All these are videos you can use your YouTube channel. All these are video you can use your YouTube channel. So I want you to click here. If you click this one, download, and it's going to that video is going to download your computer. This is the video we're going to use in our YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm going to show you this. The second step is as we're going to upload this video into our YouTube channel. Right now, the second step for us is to go in our YouTube channel, and we're going to upload that video we download, right? So I'm coming here, I'm clicking here, I'm clicking upload video. I'm going to select file, I'm going to select that video we upload. So our video is ready here. So now we want to write a title. You see the title is already there. So we need to put title, we need to put a description here, and we need to put our thumbnail, and you need to put our tags, and then you need to put our affiliation links, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this. So now we go our title, how to start a keto diet, right? So I want you to go to ChatGPT. Let me show you this one here. ChatGPT is a very easy way to, if you don't know how to write a description, you don't know how to write tag, you don't need to title, he's going to write for you. ChatGPT is very useful tools for you to grow your YouTube channel real. So we're going to use ChatGPT here. Yeah, I will create. Let's paste here. So I'm going to ask him. He can give us. He can give us title. He can give us a description, and he can give us tags for our YouTube channel, for our YouTube video. Right? ChatGPT is already give us title. Right, he give us a description here. You can see this is the description. He give us all this is the description. This is our title he give us, and this is description, all this, and he give us tags, right, for our video. This is the tags for our video. So we got everything we need. So let's copy this. I don't want to use this tag. I don't want to use this title. I'm going to leave the title like the way it is. Let me show you here. this is a place where we're going to put our link. Right, so this is my affiliation link you put here. But can you see how this link, how big it is? Right, it doesn't even look nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to shorten this to make it short. That's the third step. I'm going to show you how we can create our landing page. We can put our affiliation link in there, and then we come and put here. We need tags, so we can take our tag from ChatGPT here. We can take one by one. You copy, and you come and paste here. You come and paste here. And let me show another tools which you can get tags for free. Right, so you can use ChatGPT, or you can use these tools. Another tool, this one I'm going to show you, rapid tags. You can use these rapid tags to get tools. It's free. So you put your title there, and then all these tags, you copy all these tag here, and you come to watch our video here. I'm going to put this here, all these tag here. These tags are very good for you. You see, score is 50 out of 50. So this tag is very, very good for you because of you can rank your video up in YouTube search engine, so your video they can rank high. Okay, so this we already put our tags, we already put our description, we go our title, and now I'm going to show you how you need to put your thumbnail. So thumbnail, you can come to Canva here, right? You can come Canva and create. You can sign up. You can sign up with them. It's free. They go two. They go free and paid one, right? So you can use free. The free one you can see do thumbnail, and you can come here. You see here, create YouTube thumbnail. So if you click this one, I show you. Click that one. See, they go all this. You just come here. Let's say you can click this one, and you can create it from scratch. You can make sure you just make it nice, simple. For example, like this one here, you can create like this one. You can use this one as well. You can use any of these. Is free. I think there's some is free and some you have to pay. Okay, but I already create one. But if you want me to show you step by step on how to create thumbnail through Canva, please leave the link, leave a comment down below this video. I'll create another video which you can do step by step. Yeah, so I already create one myself, so I'm going to upload that. Right, so let's see if I can upload here. Right, I go my, now here you need to choose where you want your video to be. You should have your own playlist. So I go my playlist. Let's put this one here. I'm just going to show you how it works. And yeah, so everything is done. Our video is done now. Okay, and that's the link there we're supposed to put. I'm going to show you the last step, which you can create a landing page, which you're going to put that link is going to be here. But now our third step is creating a landing page, right? So we're going to add our affiliation link into the landing page. Now, if you don't know how to create a landing page, in my channel, I got a video which is I show how to create a landing page from scratch, right? I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to leave link below this video for that video so you can go along with this. But I want you to go to I'm going to leave the link as well for this one. We're going to use get response, right? We're going to use get response. So I'm going to leave the link in this video for get response. Click that link. You can start with them. 30 days free trial. You don't have to pay. 30 days free. So I'm going to leave the link down below this video on description below. Click that link. Go to get response. If you haven't signed up with them, sign up with them. And if you want to go account with them, just log in with them. We can log in with get response, and you get into this page here. Now if you sign in, you get into this page here. But if you haven't signed up, I left the link below this video. Use that link, you get 30 days free trial. Okay, so when you get here, come here to tools and come to landing page. So you can click that landing page here, and you can come and create new landing page, right, for only this keto diet, because each landing page you need to have its own product we promote, right? So you come here, create a landing page. So when you click here, create a landing page, you can start to create a landing page, and you come to this place. They already create one here, right? So this is very simple. If someone click the link, they'll come to this landing page here, and they're going to put their name, their email address, and they're going to sign up. So I'm going to show you where you're going to put your affiliation link. So you come here, success view. So click here, and when you click here, we want to redirect to another page. So we're going to put our link, our affiliation link, the one you get from Digital Store 24. That's the link you're going to put down there. Copy. Put our link here. I'm going to paste here. Okay. So this is my link for digital24.com. This is the link we take from there for that keto diet. So I'm going to put this link here, and I'm going to click publish. Okay. So when I click publish, this means this here, you see this one, this is the link I'm going to put in YouTube now. I'll show you. Right. So this is our link. Let me take it. So now this is our video here. We've got our link here. This is our link. If I click this link here, let me open to a new page. If I click this link here, right, it's going to take us. This is our landing page. So someone will come here, they're going to put their name. Okay, see, right, same time I receive the email address. So let me show you. Let's refresh. This is how you can make up to $100 US a day by using your YouTube channel. So you can create this. So when you finish, you come back again, you upload another video and another video and another video, and you just leave them like the way they are. This is free, easy way to do it. Anyone can do it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye.